Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Eric Coffin. I'm speaking to you from the September 2018 Metal Investors Forum in Vancouver. My guest here is Christian, who is the relatively new, I guess, CEO of San Marco Resources. It's a company I've followed for a few years, and San Marco's just about ready to start drilling a really interesting target, but they've got a bunch of things in the pipeline right behind it. Chunibas is going to be the next most active thing. You're going to be drilling that in a couple of weeks. How did the deal come about? Because you have a deal with Antofagasta. It's one of the world's biggest copper producers. How did that happen?
Yeah, that's well. Thanks for inviting us here, having us here, Eric. Yes, it's been great having Antofagasta on board on the Chunibas project. Chunibas project is a copper-silver project, but it's a high-grade copper. Antofagasta, as you just said, it's a top-tier copper producer, copper miner. So, the way they work, they made an assessment of the company. They follow up on the companies with prospective projects, and that's why Antofagasta gets into the story, right? They found us there with a high-quality prospective ground.
So they approached project. You?
Yes, they approached us, and it's been great. And this project is about to be drilling. The expectation is to start drilling. This project will be the third week of October.
Okay.
It's going to be a 1,500 meters plus campaign.
And there's another project that you've mentioned to me, and Bob Willis has mentioned to me, the chairman, and it sounds like it's sort of gone. Its stature has increased quite a bit just recently, and that's the Espiritu project. Can you tell us a bit about that one?
Yes, Espiritu SMR project. It's located 15 kilometers east of our Chunibas project on eastern Sonora. It's a project where a prospect that has received exploration. It's a porphyry gold copper system there with moly credits. We recently engaged a consultant geologist specialized in that kind of system. And preliminary, he has outlined a few targets there that look really interesting. This is a prospect that was explored in the past, say 10 years ago by Cooney Gold and through companies they optioned out that property. Right. So there's historical data. There's a drill hole number 6 that has continuous homogeneous gold and copper mineralization on stonework and porphyry and volcanic host rocks. So one of the main targets there at Espiritu SMR definitely is that gold copper mineralization.
And based on the work that this consultant did, he feels the best part of the system, the best part of the target hasn't really been tested?
Yes, and the property is quite big. There's still enough room untested, so the aim is having back again this consultant geologist to conduct work. So after his work, he's going to compile that geological information, historical drill core information, geochemistry, geochemical surveys, and that will generate a few drill targets to follow up.
Okay, and I think you guys usually have, I suspect you'll end up drilling one of these yourself, but you've also got several majors. You seem to always have several majors looking at projects. We are focused on Sonora State. Sonora State is known for hosting two world-class copper deposits. So top-tier major companies always around. And yes, when it comes to porphyry systems, it's for sure that a top-tier company will be involved. So there's always, San Marco is open to third parties discussion with potential JV deal. Well, there you have it, San Marco. They'll be drilling in 2 or 3 weeks from now, from the time this tape's made, on Chunibas. Very interesting, high-grade copper, silver. No one's ever seen anything like it in Mexico. They're highly valuable deposits in Chile, but this is the first time in Mexico. And San Marco's got several other large, high-quality targets that I think you'll see either they
or a JV partner drilling in the next few months. It's a story you really should be keeping track of as of now. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
And there you go.